Hey everyone, Grant Hell here to tell you about one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system, Titan. It is so remarkably close to Earth because it also has pools of water on it. Let's take a look. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and was discovered by C. Huygens in 1655. If the Sun was the size of a doorway, the Earth would be the size of a nickel, and Titan would be the size of a pea. One day on Titan is the equivalent to 16 Earth days, and like the Moon, the same side of Titan is always facing Saturn. The density of Titan suggests that it contains a rocky core under a thick mantle of ices. It is also so cold that gas molecules cannot travel fast enough to escape its gravity, and it creates its own atmosphere, mostly composed of nitrogen. It has enough gravitational influence to change structures in Saturn's rings. The small amount of methane that is also in the atmosphere creates a thick orange fog around the surface. These particles settle on the surface, creating a carbon-rich organic goo. The surface itself is mainly composed of ice water and extremely cold methane at negative 180 degrees Celsius. Evidence from the Huygens probe shows that liquid methane falls as rain and washes the dark carbon-rich goo from the higher terrain down to the lowlands. Infrared imaging has also shown methane volcanoes on the surface, suggesting an internal heat source. Some scientists even believe that there could be habitable environments in the subsurface oceans and life could consequently exist in them. It is in so many ways similar to Earth that it is called the New World, and many of its features like riverbeds and seas have never been found on any other planet besides Earth. The satellite Cassini that dropped the Huygens probe will pass it several dozen times, which means the study of Titan has only just begun. And although Titan would in every way be uninhabitable to our standards here on Earth, it will guide further projects to find other habitable planets. Once again, this has been Grant Helwick with your fix of astronomy knowledge. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go bathe in the freezing toxic seas of Titan.